Hi everyone, Jay here. Welcome to my YouTube thumbnail downloader alternative for 2022 review video. My alternative right here that I'm going to mention absolutely blows the YouTube thumbnail downloader away. I'm going to show you what it is and how to use it effectively to get the most bang for your buck. I'm also going to show you what the YouTube thumbnail downloader is. It has its uses. It is convenient. It's free, so keep that in mind. There are better options out there, and I'm going to show you what that option is. So bear with me here, and we're going to dive into the YouTube thumbnail downloader and show you what it pulled up. I pulled a video from Joe Rogan because everybody pretty much knows who he is. This is one of his latest videos. Grabbed the URL from the video, went over to the YouTube thumbnail downloader, put the URL of the YouTube video in it, and this is what pops up. It's an MMA video about one of the MMA fighters he's talking about. And like I said, this is what comes up. They're all in full HD. There's the large one, medium, and small. And all you do is click the download button. You're done. It just basically pulls a screen grab off the video. It's convenient, but like I said, there's better options out there. If you want to get more professional, this is the route you want to go. And I'm going to dive into that now. I'm on a site called Visme. Now, before I say anything, if you like what you see here, if you think this tool can help you out and you and your business, and it is a better alternative than the YouTube thumbnail downloader, click the link below in the video description box. It'll be the first one. There's a big discount on it. You can also grab a free account and try it out for yourself and see if you like it. But there's a nice discount there. First link, video description box, or in the upper right-hand corner of this video itself. So with that being said, let's dive in here. I am on Visme, and I typed in YouTube channel art. And this is what comes up. You got YouTube channel art and YouTube thumbnails right here. I use this in my business on a daily basis. I absolutely love this tool. I wouldn't go without it now. It's super fun to use, and it drives a lot of eyeballs to my blog. I do a lot of featured blog posts with using it. I've actually created some videos. You can create YouTube videos with it. It does basically everything you need to create graphics, videos, charts, infographics. You can even create business cards with this. It's an awesome tool. I'll dive into that a little further, but I'm going to get into what you're watching this video about. It's going to be the YouTube channel art and how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Now, what you do is click on the YouTube thumbnail. It's got the correct size here, and it's got all these templates. You see they're all very nice professional templates you can choose from. I'll scroll down so you can see some of them. They're all very professional, very top notch, and they're all awesome. But I'm gonna show you what I do. I'm gonna make a thumbnail for this actual video you're watching right now, so I can show you it in action. So we're on here. So I'm not wasting a ton of time. I'm going to click the edit button here and go to with a blank template and then go from there. So I clicked on the where it says blank template. You delete the words, obviously. I'm going to go over to here. I got my title of this saved for this video. So I'm going to go back over here, paste that in. YouTube thumbnail downloader alternative for 2022 blows it away. Must see. I'm going to change this a bit so it makes more sense. You must see this. All right, so that grabs somebody's attention. I highlight it, and you can change the text. You can change the font. You can change the color. Anything you want to do, you can do up here. I usually use one called Anton. I just think it looks good you can see right there. It just looks good for featured blog posts and YouTube thumbnails, YouTube videos, YouTube channel art, all that stuff. It's just a good font that I like. But pick what you want, obviously. I'll make that a little bigger so it stands out. We're going to go to 96. We're going to make it real big. Then you just click on it. You can move it around where you want it. Now we're going to do a background. We're just going to click on photos over here. As you can see on the left, you got layouts, basics, graphics, photos, data, media, theme colors, my files, apps. And then you got different, anything you want to do, you can do with this. It's a really awesome tool. So we're going to click on photos. It pulls up millions of stock photos you can use. And this one's about YouTube. We'll put in like YouTube first, see what pops up. And you got a bunch of cool YouTube backgrounds. We'll see YouTube thumbnail. And they're basically similar. But you can play around with that and just type in whatever you want, how it relates to your video. We're just gonna stick with regular YouTube and just get kind of a generic background going that sticks out. We'll see what this one does, how it looks. And you click that little settings box there. It's got 3 options: add to canvas, set as background, or save to my files. We're going to put set as background. And that comes in, but it's a little low, so we don't want to use that one. We're going to try this one right next to it. Basically play with it just to see what comes up and looks the best. That's not bad, but it's still a little low. Try this one. That one's pretty much perfect. I like that one. And you can see, we'll try this one. See which one looks the best for this video. It's alright. I don't like that one that much. And there's a bunch of other options down here, as you can see. So just pick one that suits whatever you're talking about in your video, obviously. We'll go with this one, so I'm not making the video too long searching for backgrounds. And we're going to change the color of this, make sure it stands out a little more. There's the color option right here. We'll go with this yellowish color. That really stands out. And then you can even put this, I didn't get this last word here. We're going to fix that. Okay, perfect. That looks nice. Now what we're going to do is go to, this is really cool, but there's not a ton of images on it. It's called Cutout. Just type in whatever you want here. You got food, you got chickens coming up. And they got nice little, cool little images you could put in. People, we'll do people. Different hands. You just put words in there and it comes up and there's nice little cutout so you can adjust. I don't want that obviously for this video. Just showing you what that is. They got mock-ups. You got GIFs. Just type in, whatever GIF you're searching for, and it pulls up there. You can add it to your any of your pictures you create or graphic you create using the software. And we're going to go to My Images. See if I can find one cool on here. This one stands out. We're just going to add her to the video. To my graphic here for my thumbnail. You want it to draw attention to your, obviously to your YouTube video. So you want it to stand out. And we're going to put her in the corner. Add his new image you put. So we're getting it from both angles. You can make it as complex as you want or as simple as you want. Okay. Make sure it's all even. Want to make sure the corners are good. That's it. I just created a YouTube thumbnail. Done. Over with. I might want to make this a little bit. I want to get over a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Above that YouTube symbol there. So that's about perfect. YouTube thumbnail downloader alternative for 2022. Blows it away. You must see this. I might want to change the wording a little bit. Alternative. You have to see this. All right, perfect. So we got YouTube thumbnail downloader alternative for 2022. Blows it away. You have to see this. And you got the YouTube in the background, so they know what the video's about, obviously. And then you got these two girls making faces, which it stands out. Kind of funny. So this will work for what I'm doing right now. Now the next step I want to do is name the title of this particular YouTube thumbnail I'm creating. We're going to use the title of this right here. The whole thing, just copy and paste it. Click that pencil. You can edit it right here. Just delete everything that's there. Paste that in. Click the enter button. You're done. And see how it's switched up here? Now what you want to do, click the download button. And it gives you options how to download it. You can download them as a document PDF, a video, present offline. You got JPG, PNG options. You can download as high resolution, which is even better than the HD in that free one. And it tells you what to do there. Download. Click the download. It's generating my JPG. It's going to come up here. I got a antivirus checks it to make sure it's legit, and then we're scanning. I can use McAfee just to make sure everything's good. There's not a virus on it, which there's not, obviously. And then you can open it up right here. So it's ready to be, when I upload this video to YouTube, I can just grab this picture, and that's my YouTube thumbnail. I'm done, ready to go. And that's it. Quick, effective, stands out, and it's a way better alternative than the YouTube thumbnail downloader. And it's a lot more professional. So, and then another thing you could do with this, which is really cool, is share it. So you can get a nice backlink. The domain authority of the site's like an 80 something, or it's in the 70s or 80s. It's really high. So every time you share one of these, you're getting a backlink. So if say you're a blogger and you're trying to create a video about a recent blog post you did, you can put your blog post URL in this and get a backlink to it and get some more eyeballs on that particular blog post through your video and, through these graphics that you create. All you do for that is click share. I already got the title in, description. You're going to put that in there. You're going to put your link right here, or before, after, and then click the share button. And you click share now. It's already published. I'm going to go back and add the link to this YouTube video. After I'm done creating this video, you can share it on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, etc., etc. And that's give you a nice little backlink and some more traffic, more eyeballs to your videos, or wherever you are sending whatever link you want to put in here. And a nice backlink to, bring up your domain authority, because this is a high traffic site. Visme is. It's in the 70s or 80s, like I was saying, for domain authority. So use it to your advantage. Okay, we're going to go back here. And I'm going to show you some of the other ones I created using this software. And you can do anything with it, like I said. These are for YouTube videos. This is a YouTube video thumbnail. YouTube video thumbnail. YouTube video thumbnail. YouTube video thumbnail. This was a blog post. Featured posts. These are all pretty much featured posts that I did. You can see here. And you can go through them. They're all professional, all very nicely put together. And it literally only took me like 10 minutes to use this. To create all these graphics, each one. This one's real cool. I got little dogs here. Best inflatable kayaks for dogs. I did one on electric skateboards, leather couches for pets. This is a pretty cool looking one. I'll show you this one. And we'll end this video. So that was put together in literally 10 minutes. Simple, but it stands out and it's effective. Gets to the point. And that's that. Let's go back here. I'll go through all these here. And that's it. This is one of my favorite tools I use, like I said, for featured blog posts, for YouTube videos, to create YouTube thumbnails, and it's a way better than YouTube thumbnail downloader. It's a way better alternative where you can do everything, not just one thing. And that one thing that I showed you does a lot better than the YouTube thumbnail downloader. And like I said, you can start off for free, and then if you want to upgrade your plan down the road, you're going to use it more. It's well worth the investment. Super fun to use this software. It's probably the funnest thing I use in my business. I enjoy doing it because you can get real creative, and it brings my creative side out. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. If you want to check this out for yourself, like I said, the link's directly below the video in the video description box or in the upper right-hand corner of this video itself. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.